Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. 7 signs that can help you distinguish a cold from allergies. Colds and allergies have much in common. Symptoms of both states are caused by the reaction of your immune system and sometimes overlap. But they have completely different causes and require different methods of treatment. Colds can be treated at home if the symptoms are not serious, and the same applies to allergies. But to find out if you are allergic, you need to take an allergy test. And if you already know for certain that you are allergic, here are some natural ways to combat her attacks. Here are the main differences between a cold and an allergy. 1. Reason. Colds are caused by viruses. There are more than 200 of them, the most common of which are rhinovirus. Allergic reactions develop when you come into contact with an allergen, usually a harmless substance, which for some reason your body perceives as a harmful agent. 2. Season. You can catch cold at any time of the year, but this is most common in late autumn and winter. Allergies usually appear in the spring and early autumn, but you may have symptoms year-round, depending on what you are allergic to. 3. Sneezing. Sneezing is common for both allergies and colds. But you cannot sneeze too much if you have a cold. Sneezing attacks are more common in allergies. 4. Cough. Cough is a very common symptom of the common cold, but it is rare in allergies. 5. Mucus. People with colds discharge from the nose are usually yellowish or green and thicker due to the virus. If you are allergic, the discharge from the nose is likely to be clear, thin and watery. 6. Fever. Low-grade fever is common for colds, but not associated with allergies. 7. Ocular symptoms. An allergic reaction usually manifests itself in itchy and watery eyes, which is quite unusual for a cold. 8. Fatigue. The feeling of fatigue can be a symptom of both allergies and colds. If you think that you may have an allergy, ask your doctor about an allergy. If you have a cold and your symptoms are not serious, you do not need to contact your doctor. But if your symptoms are serious or do not show signs of improvement for a few days or longer, you should call your doctor. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.